Kaizer Chiefs have maintained their stance of not making any signings during the January transfer window, a decision confirmed earlier by sporting director Bobby Motong. The club has opted to remain cautious in the market, stating that new players would only be brought in if the right opportunity presents itself. For now, Amakosi have chosen not to make any major moves. Despite the inactivity in the transfer market, Kaizer Chiefs have made a positive start to the year on the pitch. They played their first Betway Premiership match of 2026 and secured a narrow but important 1-0 victory. The win has given supporters some encouragement and showed that the current squad is capable of grinding out results, even without new additions. Meanwhile, several transfer rumors previously linking Chiefs to certain players have now been put to rest. Chegofatso Mabasa, who was heavily linked with a move to Naturena, has officially joined Stellenbosch FC from Orlando Pirates. Mabasa wasted no time making an impact at his new club, scoring a crucial goal that secured Stellenbosch a win in their match yesterday. This confirms that Kaizer Chiefs missed out on another potential signing, as Mabasa is now settled elsewhere. With other rivals like Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates strengthening their squads, questions remain about Chiefs' transfer strategy. While the recent league victory is a positive sign, many fans believe the squad still needs reinforcements to compete consistently at the highest level. So, Kaizer Chiefs supporters, are you impressed with the current squad after the latest Betway Premiership win? And do you think the club should definitely bring in 1 or 2 new players before the window closes? Share your thoughts.